Type object datetime.datetime has no attribute datetime. I have gotten the following error. Type object datetime.datetime has no attribute datetime. On the following line. Does anybody know the reason for the error? I imported datetime with from datetime import datetime if that helps. Thanks.
For Python 3.3. Datetime is a module that allows for handling of dates, times and datetimes, all of which are data types. This means that datetime is both a top-level module as well as being a type within that module. This is confusing. Your error is probably based on the confusing naming of the module, and what either you or a module you're using has already imported. But if you import datetime.datetime, I suspect you or one of the modules you're using has imported like this, from datetime import datetime.
You should really import the module into its own alias. The above has the following benefits over the other solutions. Calling the variable my_datetime instead of date reduces confusion since there is already a date in the datetime module, datetime.date. The module and the class, both called datetime, do not shadow each other.
You should use or change to
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.